BMW X5 G05. Hello, auto enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss the BMW X5 G05, one of the most opulent and potent SUVs currently available. This third-generation X5 has been a favorite among BMW fans, thanks to its impressive performance, sleek design, and advanced features. So, let's take a closer look and see what this beauty has to offer. First, let's talk about the exterior design of the BMW X5 G05. This SUV features a bold and muscular appearance, with its large kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and athletic lines that give it a sporty yet elegant look. The X5's aerodynamic design helps to reduce wind resistance and enhance its performance on the road. Now, let's move on to the interior. The X5 G05's cabin is luxurious, spacious, and packed with advanced features. The SUV's premium materials, like leather and wood, offer a comfortable and sophisticated driving experience. The X5's dashboard features a large infotainment screen, which can be controlled by voice or touch. Additionally, the X5 comes with a panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with natural light, giving it an airy and open feel. Under the hood, the BMW X5 G05 comes with several engine options, including a 3.0-liter inline-six-cylinder engine, which delivers 300 horsepower, and a 4.4-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which produces a whopping 523 horsepower. The X5's engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and can reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The X5's handling is also impressive, thanks to its standard adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive system. The suspension system adjusts to the road conditions, providing a smooth and comfortable ride, while the all-wheel drive system helps to keep the X5 stable and secure on the road, even in adverse weather conditions. In conclusion, the BMW X5 G05 is a luxurious and powerful SUV that offers exceptional performance, advanced features, and a stunning design. Whether you're looking for a family car or a luxury SUV, the X5 G05 is a great choice. So, if you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to give the BMW X5 G05 a test drive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.